Welcome back. I've managed to sort of trim the sill repair section pretty well. It still needs a little tiny bit more profile. I've managed to put the little ridge that I was after a fold. It needs to just be a tiny bit flatter there, tiny little bit more curve here. But I want to do a bit more fiddling around and on because I've been stretching it, because I've been tapping and stretching. It's the panel's grown in length by about 1 millimetre, so I need to trim off a tiny little bit here. But what I want to do at the second, a bit more bashing about, I want to put a drain hole in. The original drain holes are very similar shape to this, and I've done one side a little bit just to see if it works, and I've just got a chisel, a file. So I'm just literally going to tap the panel over the file. Let's try and do it somewhere where the camera can see it. Bit awkward, but everything that I do is awkward. Nothing's easy because of the conditions I work in are just ludicrous. But hey. There we go. That's it, that's nearly there. Tiny bit more. Right, smaller hammer. Not bad. So that's just going to be a drain hole. So which way around does this go? Yeah, it will sit. It will sit just like this. So I need another piece of metal. The flange that fits to the floor pan is already there. So this will weld against. That's what it'll look like when it goes. The flange is already, the floor pan obviously inside the car, where the flange is there. So yeah, and this is what it will look like. That'll be the bottom facing down to the road, just a tiny little drain hole. But of course we won't be welding that up. Yeah, in fact I just need to bend it over a tiny bit more. It's just not going to be quite open enough. Probably need another millimetre or two. So look, see if I've got some pliers somewhere. Yes, I have. Should be able to do it with pliers actually. Just open this a little bit more. There we go. Let's have a look. There we go. That would be perfectly adequate as a drain hole. It only needs a couple of millimetres. So, this will be all welded along here, and yeah, that's what it'll look like. Yeah, this will all be completely welded, and the water will flow out of the sill. Yeah, no problem at all. I didn't want to forget that, and the drain hole's all blocked on the other side. So, well, obviously I'll be cutting that out as well. So, yeah, it needs a little bit of dressing and tidying up, but you can see what it's going to look like.